everyone. Today's topic is descriptive writing. So there are so many writing style in which today I'll be discussing on this. So what is a descriptive writing? If you ask me to tell it in short, it is the way to help the reader making visualize the story. So something which can be visualized while reading, that style of writing is called descriptive writing. So it is a writing style about a person, a place or a thing, anything, which will allow the reader to build a strong image on their mind. So rather than telling the story, it should be visualized through the way of writing. That is why it is told it shows rather than tells. So what are the components that we use for a descriptive writing? So in order to make the descriptive writing, in order to make your paragraph much more interesting, you have to pay attention to the details. So as the topic itself tells, it is descriptive, you have to focus on giving more details. All the details should be written in a paragraph. So descriptive language. What is this descriptive language? It is picturizing the actions. For example, there are few words which will help the reader to feel what the writer is conveying. So this kind of language could be used in order to make a descriptive writing. So multiple senses. In this kind of writing, we have to write in a way that the reader can feel what the writer has felt while he is writing. So that is where using all these senses like feel, touch, seeing, hearing, and all these senses should be included in this writing style. So finally, it is organizing of sentences. When it comes to a paragraph, it is obvious that we organize in a sequence in order to make it better. So that is where these four components will help you to write a proper descriptive paragraph. So I have found this paragraph bit interesting. Staring blankly at my exam, I tapped my pencil rapidly on the side of my desk and desperately tried to focus. Mustering up some courage, I wrote an answer to the second question. Just as quickly, I erased the answer, frantically not wanting to leave a trace of it. So this is a kind of a descriptive paragraph where staring blankly, I tapped, mustering, erased. These are the descriptive language words which can visualize the actions in the reader's mind. This is how the descriptive paragraph could be framed. Thank you. Have a nice day.